In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Notion to Make.com. This integration is incredibly useful for automating workflows and syncing data between Notion and other platforms. Let's dive right into it. First, head over to Make.com. This is the starting point for setting up connections between various apps and services. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the option to create a scenario. Creating scenarios is essentially building a workflow that will automate tasks, so it's a crucial step in making the most out of Make.com. Next, you'll want to type in Notion in the search bar that appears. This action will help you find Notion among the myriad of other applications that Make.com supports. Once you've located Notion, simply click on it. This action will initiate your connection in the scenario you're building. After selecting Notion, you'll need to decide on a trigger for your automation. A trigger is basically an event that will prompt your workflow to start. So, consider what action in Notion you want to link with Make.com to manipulate data or perform specific tasks and choose an appropriate trigger. With your trigger in place, it's time to create a connection. This connection will be the link between Notion and other services on Make.com, allowing data to flow seamlessly. When the option to create a connection pops up, go ahead and click it. You'll then see a prompt to select a connection type. Choose Notion Internal to make sure everything aligns correctly with your Notion workspace. It's essential to select the right type to ensure a secure and efficient integration. Now switch back to your Notion dashboard. Here, you'll need to select the specific page or database that you want to connect with Make.com. This step ensures that you're only sharing the data you intend to migrate or sync. Once you've selected the appropriate page or database, locate the three dots on the right-hand side of the page. Click on them and then choose Connections from the menu. This menu is fundamental for managing how Notion interacts with other applications. Navigate to Manage Connections and then to Discover to explore existing integrations. Click on Develop or Manage Connections to open the development settings for your apps. This step is where you control new and existing integrations. To create a new connection, click on New Connection. You'll need to provide a connection name. This can be anything memorable that signifies the link between Notion and Make.com. Then, click on Create Connection. Notion will generate an internal integration secret. This code is crucial as it authenticates the link between Notion and Make.com, allowing them to communicate securely. Copy this internal integration secret and return to Make.com. You'll be prompted to paste it there, where it serves as a key to your setup. Finally, follow any on-screen prompts provided by Make.com to finalize the connection. These are generally straightforward but essential to ensure everything is set up correctly. And that's it. You've successfully linked Notion with Make.com, paving the way for more efficient workflows and data management. Enjoy this seamless integration and explore the new possibilities it brings to your projects.